What authority does a guardian ad litem have? Have you ever wondered what role a guardian ad litem plays in legal matters, especially during the probate process? This is an important topic, particularly when it comes to estate planning. A guardian ad litem, often referred to as a GAL, is appointed by the court to representing someone who may not be able to advocate for themselves. This could be a minor child or an adult who is incapacitated. The authority of a guardian ad litem is specifically focused on advocating for the best interests of the person involved. However, it is essential to note that the GAL does not have the power to make decisions on behalf of that individual. Their role is strictly that of an advocate and advisor to the court. When a guardian ad litem is appointed, they begin by conducting an independent investigation. This may involve interviewing the person in question, along with family members and caregivers. They will also review relevant documents, such as medical records, to gather a complete picture of the situation. After this investigation, the GAL presents their findings to the court. They will provide recommendations regarding the individual's capacity and care needs. For instance, if the person is found to be incapacitated, the GAL may suggest whether a guardian or conservator should be appointed. One of the key responsibilities of a guardian ad litem is to advocate for the expressed wishes of the individual whenever possible. However, if those wishes conflict with what is deemed to be in their best interests, the GAL will advise the court accordingly. It is important to understand that the authority of a guardian ad litem is limited to the specific legal proceeding for which they are appointed. Once the court resolves the matter, their role comes to an end. Unlike a guardian or conservator, a GAL cannot sign documents or make medical or financial decisions for the person. In adult guardianship cases, the guardian ad litem is often an attorney. They representing the interests of the alleged incapacitated individual, making sure their voice is heard during the process. The GAL may recommend the type of guardianship needed, whether it be limited or full, but the final decision is always made by the court. The involvement of a guardian ad litem helps ensure that the court makes informed decisions regarding guardianship and estate management. This is especially important during probate or guardianship hearings, as it protects vulnerable individuals by providing an independent advocate focused solely on their welfare. In summary, the authority of a guardian ad litem is to investigate, advocate, and advise the court on the best interests of a minor or incapacitated person during legal proceedings. They do not have decision-making power or control over the individual's estate, which sets them apart from guardians or conservators.